Hey guys, Josh with the Traveling Bean Coffee Company here. During this time of social distancing, we are bringing you into our kitchen so you can check out some tips and tricks on how to make coffee in different ways and get you through until we're back on the road again. But today we're going to be making coffee using a French press. And we'll need a few simple things. We need a French press, some coarsely ground coffee, and a way to heat water to 190 to 200 degrees. And today we'll be using this French press. This is the one that we have at our house, but you can find them online or in your local store in the home goods department. There are many different styles, sizes, and price ranges. Pick one that works for you. They're all going to be about the same. There's going to be a carafe and there's going to be a plunger. This plunger has a filter on the end, and it will catch most of the large particles of the coarsely ground coffee, which is why we use a coarsely ground coffee for French press. We'll just set that aside for a minute and we'll grab our coffee. We're going to use a mounded tablespoon per cup of water. So for this liter, we're going to need around 4 of these 2 tablespoon scoops rather. Now if you want a little, you want it a little stronger, a little fuller cup, you can definitely add more, adjust it to your own taste. But that's a good baseline to start with. So then we're going to add our water, and we can just basically pour it straight in. Now each of these is a little bit different, but most of them either on the item itself or in their packaging will tell you about where to stop pouring. And we're going to give it a quick stir to make sure that we incorporate the grounds into the water as well. We're using a plastic spoon. The manufacturer recommends a plastic or wooden spoon because it's less likely to break the glass and send coffee all over the place. So once you've given that a pretty decent stir, then we're going to put the top on. The plunger should be in the up position, and on this one specifically, there's a little vent on the front for where you pour the coffee as another filter to catch the grounds. We do not want to put it in any further at this point. We're going to let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll go ahead and show you. This is about the level of the hot water. And as you saw, the filter sticks down a little bit. It comes right to there, so it'll sit and kind of hold those grounds in the water a little bit. 2 to 3 minutes, and we'll start plunging. It's been steeping for a couple minutes now. We're going to start to push the plunger down. We want to make sure that we're not pushing it down so hard that it comes out around the filter, but that it presses the coffee down into the liquid. It does seem like it's very slow. You will feel like you should be pushing faster, but this is about how fast you're supposed to be pushing it. So as you can see, the filter that's on the bottom of this plunger is about here, and it is pushing down this mass of the coffee down to the bottom, so that you can pour off the liquid here at the top into your cup. There we go. And some would say that's even a little bit too fast, but that for me is just fine. And then go ahead and pour. And it's ready to enjoy. Thanks again for joining us. Follow us again for more tips and tricks as we bring the bean back into your kitchen. Cheers.